Meaning of gossamer.
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 Gossamer. Gossamer is a word that describes something that is very light, delicate, and filmy in texture. It can refer to thin fabric, cobwebs, or anything that seems to float or shimmer in the air. The term gossamer often evokes the image of a spider's web, with its intricately woven strands that catch the light and appear almost like a dreamy, ethereal veil. The word gossamer is derived from a Middle English term gosmere, which referred to a fine, silk-like material produced by a certain type of wild goose.